Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your e-commerce dreams? Whether you're just starting out, eager to scale your existing store, or searching for smarter, more efficient ways to run your online business, there's one platform that rises above the rest in the crowded world of dropshipping: Doba. Since its inception in 2002, Doba has been a trusted partner for thousands of entrepreneurs worldwide, empowering them with the tools, resources, and connections they need to succeed in e-commerce. Doba is more than just a supplier directory. It's your all-in-one secret weapon. Imagine having access to hundreds of reliable suppliers, millions of high-quality products, and powerful tools that help you list, manage, and automate your store, all from a single user-friendly dashboard. That's the incredible power of Doba at your fingertips. The simplified sourcing solution you've been looking for. Let's face it, finding the right products to sell can be daunting. You're navigating a maze of suppliers, fluctuating prices, and complex shipping options. But with Doba, sourcing becomes a breeze. You gain instant access to a vast catalog spanning categories like home and garden, outdoors, pets, beauty and health, electronics, sports, and more. Whether you're selling on Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or other platforms, Doba seamlessly integrates, making product listing effortless. And here's the game changer: no more inventory worries. Doba's model allows you to purchase products directly from suppliers who handle storage, packaging, and shipping. That means no warehousing, no logistical nightmares, and no upfront inventory costs. You focus on what truly matters: marketing, customer engagement, and growing your brand. Doba takes care of the rest. Cutting-edge technology to accelerate your business. But Doba isn't just about sourcing. It's about harnessing the latest technology to give you a competitive edge. Enter the Doba AI Tool Hub, a revolutionary feature designed to make your dropshipping journey smarter, faster, and more profitable. Thinking about launching a new store? The AI Tool Hub acts as your personal business coach. It analyzes market trends, consumer demands, and competitors to recommend the most promising niches. Want to identify trending products that are flying off the shelves? The AI scans global data sets, pinpointing hot items tailored to your target audience, giving you the insight to stock what sells. And it gets better. The AI helps optimize your product descriptions, set competitive prices, and automate listings, saving you hours of manual work. It even assists with order fulfillment, ensuring your customers receive their products on time, while you focus on scaling your brand and engaging with your audience. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces errors, increases efficiency, and boosts your profitability. Turn data into growth. With Doba's AI tools, your dropshipping business becomes more than just a side hustle. It evolves into a data-driven, streamlined operation built for growth. Whether you're launching your first store or managing multiple stores, AI insights help you make smarter decisions, minimize risks, and maximize profits. Imagine having a virtual assistant that constantly scans market trends, recommends hot products, and automates repetitive tasks. That's what Doba's AI tools deliver, empowering you to focus on what you love: building your brand, creating marketing campaigns, and delighting your customers. Earn while you help others, the Doba Affiliate Program. Now let's talk about an exciting opportunity that transforms your influence into income: the Doba Affiliate Program. If you're passionate about e-commerce, helping others succeed, and earning passive income, this is a perfect fit. Getting started is simple. Sign up for free, receive your personalized referral link, and share it across your social media, blog, or email channels. Every time someone signs up and subscribes to Doba, you earn a generous commission. Here's the exciting part. For each customer you refer who subscribes to Doba's plans, you earn up to 30% of their subscription fee for the first 90 days. If you refer someone to the business plan at $49.99 per month, that's almost $15 each month for 3 months. For every person you bring in. Think about the possibilities. Refer just 10 people, and over 3 months, you could earn close to $450 or more. all just by sharing a platform you believe in. And the best part? You don't have to deal with customer support or product fulfillment. Your job is simply to share, recommend, and inspire others to succeed. Doba provides all the marketing assets you need: banners, images, email scripts, making promotion effortless. Your dashboard tracks everything so you can see your referrals, commissions, and payout status at a glance. When it's payout time, Doba delivers fast, reliable payments via PayPal or Payoneer on a regular monthly schedule. It's a flexible, straightforward way to turn your online influence into real income. The power is in your hands. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, educator, or someone who simply loves sharing valuable tools, the Doba affiliate program is your gateway to earning passive income. Help others discover a platform that can transform their lives and get rewarded for your efforts. Ready to launch your e-commerce empire? The opportunity is knocking. Take the first step now and sign up for Doba today. Want to see how it works? Check out Doba's official YouTube channel at https://www.youtube.com @symboldobainc.7948 for tutorials, success stories, and expert tips. Join thousands of entrepreneurs already thriving with Doba. Use the power of AI to source smarter, automate your store, and scale faster. Plus, earn through our lucrative affiliate program while helping others succeed. Your e-commerce success story starts here. With Doba's innovative platform, advanced AI tools, and rewarding affiliate opportunities, you have everything you need to turn your passion into profit. So why wait? Take action today. Build your dream business and watch your online empire grow. Remember, your dreams are within reach. Your online business ambitions are not just dreams, they're achievable. With Doba's comprehensive platform, AI-powered tools, and affiliate programs, success is just a click away. Whether you want to generate extra income, create a full-time business, or help others do the same, Doba is your partner every step of the way. Your future in e-commerce starts now. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Take the leap, leverage the power of Doba, and turn your passion into a thriving, profitable reality.